Integration and process automation technologies are really helpful for engineers, of course, because at the end, what the engineers do is to build workflows. And when you have to build workflows of complex software chains, having a tool that automatize all the repetitive work that you need to do to interface one software with the other one, to interface the output of a software with the input of the following one, is really, really helpful. This is, of course, related also to the possibility to perform, at the end, effective design optimization, because what the optimization is to apply a repetitive and iterative loop to that workflow that drives the design to the optimal values. modeFRONTIER and Volta are equipped with the best state-of-the-art integration and process automation technologies that are based, of course, on the best technologies available. When you optimize a design, at the end what you get is an optimal solution. But the risk is that when you put this optimal design in operations, the environmental conditions that the product faces in the real operation phase are different, was not taken into account during the design phase. What modeFRONTIER can give you is a set of robust multi-objective optimization methodologies that you can safely use to take directly into account the tolerances at the level of the input variables during the optimization phase. So what you get at the end is an optimal design that is not only optimal by itself, but it's also robust against the environmental conditions that your product can face in the operation phase.